Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is actually a 2005 Gore. It's in excellent shape. It was a 4-horse. It is a 3-horse. I'm going to show you why. It's got a full living quarters in it now, done by JBJ Interiors. It's very nicely done. So all aluminum skin. It does have full running boards. Pretty sure Gores have a wood floor and a fiberglass roof, but I will double check that as we go around. Don't hold me to that 100% on the video. It'll be more on the ad when I do that. So you've got 2 extra spares here on the back side of the trailer. It does have full running boards. This trailer may be all aluminum, so just hold tight. Let me kind of go through it and get the ad done. It's kind of hard sometimes when I'm out here doing videos. So again, this trailer is in excellent shape. It does have a hydraulic jack. It does have, and again, I'm understanding that this works, but a instant hot water heater here on the front for a sink. So it's just a sink here on the front. I'm not 100% sure how that works. We'll get that in when we do the ad, and we can obviously go forward once we go through this trailer completely, but wanted to get it up online now. So hydraulic jack. This trailer is 7 wide, 7 tall. It does have a power awning. It does not have an escape door anymore. You'll see there is a bathroom behind that door, so no escape door. It's got 3 drop-down windows with bars. It does have a hay rack and ladder. It's a hay rack and ladder. It does have a onboard generator. It does have a water tank on top of that hay rack. So ladder as well. So it does have a Cummins. Don't know the actual wattage. I'll get that for you for the ad, but it does have an onboard generator. It's got a collapsible rear tack, 3-tier saddle rack. It does have a place to hook up propane in the back to take a shower in the back of the trailer. So that's my understanding, is that you can take a shower here in the back of the trailer as well, although it does have a full shower in it too. I haven't quite figured out where that shower is, but I'll find it. Horse box is in immaculate shape. Yes, it is a fiberglass roof. I see that now. It's got fans, tie rings per horse, nice padded aluminum dividers, heavy duty, walk-through door. It does have a 110 outlet here in the first stall, which has now become the first stall. They did a great job with this. You can't even really tell that this was a 4-horse other than the escape door, which is fully sealed now. You cannot get through that door. So it does have roof vents, nice mats. I'm going to check the floor here in a second, but it is looking like a wood floor. I can kind of see through there. So it is a wood floor. So it does have a walk-through door, windows, slider windows on the rear. Again, jury's still out on that rear shower, so I'm just going to say you've got a way to hook up some propane here in the back if you want, or you can take that out. I'm going to go around this side of the trailer again. There's no real issues, no damage, nothing I can point out. This trailer again is in excellent shape. So it does have an extra water tank on top. As you can see, this escape door is sealed now. You can't see, but it is sealed. You cannot get it open. It has a camper door with screen. Stepping up, like I said, this is a JBJ interior. So it has a little dinette seat with a flip-up table. It's got nice cabinets, microwave. I'm going to open these cabinets, couple little drawers, hot water heater, hanging space. It's got cabinets all above, air conditioner. Soft touch on the ceiling. It does have a TV with a swing arm. Cabinet here for hanging space. Cabinet here. So a lot of nice cabinets. A water tank is underneath here. So water tank there. Come on, Woody. Nicely done. Soft touch walls and soft touch ceiling. And that's just basically the fabric on the wall and the ceiling is soft. Oh, sorry, Woody. Having a little wreck here. Kind of show you the floor space. It's got a nice mirror on the wall. Pocket door to the bathroom. Bathroom is a full sink and vanity and shower. And like I said, it's got the walk-through door. I'm going to turn around. Small shower, but works. It's got everything that you need. So JBJ professionally done interior. There is no fridge. There is no gas top stove. So TV, AC. That being said, you would need to plug in a small heater for heat in this trailer, which you have plenty of 110 outlets. They are everywhere. Power awning, I think I said that. It's nicely done. So, 2005 3-horse Gore full living quarters. Super nice trailer, well made, excellent condition. I'll get all the information that you need on the ad, or you can text or call me with any questions about this trailer. It's 828-773-4500. Again, it's Ashley with Carolina Trailer Sales. 2005 3-horse Gore living quarters with a lot of nice amenities. You guys have a great day.